Tutorial 8. Questionnaires. While on the account page, tap on Questionnaires to view, create or edit questionnaires. As you can see, the first questionnaire we created when we made our first package is saved here. Tap it if you wish to review it, edit it, or delete it. Tap the plus icon to create a new questionnaire. Give your questionnaire a unique title. Type your first question, then tap the plus icon to lock it in. Add as many questions as needed following the same steps. It is best to add the questions in both Arabic and English like in the examples. Save your questionnaire. To attach it to a package, go to that package. Swipe left, and tap Edit. Scroll all the way down. Make sure Select Questionnaire is active. Then tap Edit Questionnaire. Select the one you want to attach to this package. Then tap Update Package to save your edits. Download Telehearts now and discover a new path to the arts of healthcare and wellness.